My name is Shehu Ibrahim Abubakar. The topic of my presentation is performance evaluation of concrete containing high volume palm oil fuel ash. The global need of preserving natural resources and reduction of carbon dioxide emission associated with rising construction activities has fueled the search for alternative way of producing environmental friendly construction material. Agro ash wastes have played a tremendous role in this regard, among which is palm oil fuel ash, known as POFA. POFA is a waste generated from the burning of solid palm oil waste in the generation of electricity at palm oil mill, which has been identified as a good pozzolanic material. Despite its 30% maximum application as a cement replacement in the production of concrete, the disposal problem still persists as huge amount of ash still remain unutilized. Therefore, considering the amount of ash generated from over 100 palm oil mills across Southeast Asia and African sub-Sahara, there's need to look further inward on the high volume application of this waste in the production of green concrete construction material. High volume is the application of more than 50% replacement of ash with replacement of cement with ash in the production of green construction material. And the practice has been found successful on other related ash, such as fly ash. The objective of the research, therefore, is set forth to study the properties of concrete contain fresh and hardened state properties of concrete containing high volume palm oil fuel ash. Others include durability property, deformation property, and the microstructure. Literature state-of-art review have demonstrated that POFA has impacted positively on properties of concrete. Relevant standards such as ASTM, BS, RELAM, and ACI have been employed in various ways in conducting the research. From the laboratory investigation conducted and observation made, the following conclusions are drawn. POFA, high volume POFA did not impact positively on workability of concrete, but the application of super plasticizer has made this realizable. The early strength development was impaired, but with satisfactory ultimate strength at 28 days. Thermal stresses which will have otherwise, temperature rise, which will have otherwise caused thermal stresses on concrete, has greatly been reduced. High volume POFA does not have any significant effect on shrinkage of concrete. The microstructure of the high volume POFA shows a dense metric, whereby that of OPC shows a honeycomb matrix with interconnected connectivity of capillary pore. Therefore, high volume application of POFA in concrete is technically and economically advantageous in the production of green concrete and green construction material. Thank you for your attention.